Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can force a shipment with a negative quantity. So here are 10,000 pieces that I don't currently have in inventory. If I click Save, I get a warning saying the transaction will result in a negative quantity, which isn't allowed. This workaround isn't recommended because ideally it shouldn't be done. But in case you have to do it, it's an option. You open part entry. This is set in the class. So you go to the class, open with part class entry. And here, if you look, there's the negative quantity action. Right now, it's set to stop, which means it won't let you ship if you don't have inventory. You can change it to warn, which will just give you a warning, or so it doesn't do anything and lets you ship off even with a negative quantity. For now, I'll set it to warn and save. Now I'm back on this screen. I still have the 10,000 pieces, and if I click save, it should just say, oh, it's asking me for the lot number. So I'll click next. This should generally be avoided, but if you ever need to force it, this is how. If it's something you have to force and later need to revert, you can go back to part entry, open the class again, and set it back to how it was. That's it. Hope this is super helpful. See you in the next video.